Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you about a company or its operations. Like, um, to know about the different, the dynamics of the company and its operations, how it works, the procedures and the work, which is actually done, and practiced in the inside the organization is very important. So I'm going to tell like and compare a company as a organism. Yes. So a company or a business or an organization is like a living entity. So I'm going to compare certain organisms with the company and the levels in it. So let's get started. So when we get into that, when we talk about company as an organism, oh, the founder of the company is more like a heart. Yes. So because the heart is more important. Likewise, the initial or the basic start was made by the founder. So the heart of the company is obviously the founder. So the founder's job is like circulating the resources inside the company to make the company run without any interventions or irregularity. So the heart is very important, like it's how it's important to our body seems. So while combining the biological body, so there are two units of for the business. So when we take that, cash and the customers are very important. So likewise, when we compare with that in our organic in our with a human biological term, it seems cash are more like oxygen. So which is very needed for a person to live. So likewise, the cash is a oxygen for a company to run. And next is customer. Customer leads as a glucose, which makes the company or motivates or which is the reason where the company runs. So cash are like oxygen, and the customer are more like glucose. So these two are the most important things to run a company. And the next, when we come to the brain will be like a management team which manages the whole set of the company. Everything from the top to the bottom, everything was managed by the management team. So the management team is more like a brain which controls and guides the every part. So when we're making those management teams are like making the actual day-to-day decisions, not in one or two areas or two departments or in the some functional areas of the organization. So they are, but all they are making decisions and guiding all the part of the all the departmental areas of the organizations too. So these management teams are more like the brain to the organization. So if the company or doesn't work well, the founder should send more resources to keep the company going, to keep the company running. So the repeated cycle or the expected trends can and the return make the company better. So if the company gets better at converting the more leads and also better at using less cash, the company is said to be is running in a good way or in a good path. If the company is getting more return, then without any errors, or if the company is running in a smooth way, it shows that the company is progressing in a right way, and the brain and heart of the organization, which is the management and the resources which need to be for the running of the company, are getting are getting in the correct way to make the company in a developmental path. So when you take that, likewise, the organization has two different parts, that is high level management and mid level management. So these are as nerve management. So the high level management is like focusing on the survival of the company. So it is safety and reputation, the consistency in the marketplace. The mid level management is something in a business, so which is understanding the immediate problems and finding solutions and giving solutions and provide the understanding of the organization, for the understanding of the organization, and also the problems which is lies in the organization too. So this helps the companies, these both management helps the companies to solve the external or the internal problems which takes place and take informed decisions. So this strategy of the company will be set by the executives, so the actual execution and the feedback collection is performed by the lower level and the first level management. So likewise, to understand the dynamics of the organization, uh, mostly it is like an organism as a living entity.